This literature kit on A Year Down Yonder by Richard Peck provides writing tasks that offer great options for extra work. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events from the story in order as they happened with Mary Alice and Grandma on Halloween. List things that are different between Mary Alice's world and the present. Write a letter to Mary Alice's mother in her own words in an attempt to change her opinion of the grandmother. Students identify who the antagonist of the story is and defend their opinion. Translate 2 different expressions Mary Alice uses to describe her grandmother. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a travel brochure for Chicago, Illinois. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Choose a topic from the novel and 5 subtopics that would aid in one's understanding of the topic. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.